Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on Infiniti G37. Turn the ignition to ACC with the car in park and do not start the engine. Press and hold the trip reset button until the oil life percentage blinks, then release and press again to confirm reset. I will guide you through each step slowly, explain common pitfalls, and offer quick tips so you can reset confidently and safely. Begin by pressing the trip button until the oil life percentage appears on the dash, and make sure the gear is in park. Hold the trip button firmly for around 10 seconds until the numbers blink, then release and press again to confirm the reset. If the display does not blink, repeat the sequence or check the owner manual. I'll describe how long to hold buttons and how to verify a successful reset with calm, clear steps. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can make more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, voice commands, and timers to your workspace, making oil changes and resets more enjoyable and hands-free. It's compact, affordable, and perfect for background audio while you work on your G37. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the reset doesn't work, first confirm the battery has normal voltage and the trip button is functioning. Try the procedure again from a cold vehicle with ignition in ACC and ensure you hold the button long enough for the display to blink. For persistent issues, consider using an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner or visiting a dealer to clear the service message. I'll cover quick checks and when to seek professional help to avoid wasted time and worry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.